here with artist Jane Dunnewold, and we've been having so much fun all season long, creative strength training. And what are we doing today?
I want to talk a little bit more about the committee because I want to talk about how to deal with them. Let's review. The committee is the people who are either dismissive of your work or your right to do it, and they can be a little bit mean, or they're the people that you want to impress. So you put them on the committee. But in either case, you got to dismantle the committee, because if you don't dismantle the committee, they're going to come around and keep haunting you. Can I show you some ways people do?
Please.
So I have a drawing by my friend Judy Cook. She portrayed all her committee members as chickens and gave them little sayings to say. And then I have one from another former student, Pippa Drew, where she put in all the eyes that are always checking us out and looking at our work and judging us, and worked it out of her system that way, because that's really what we're doing. And then I thought you would enjoy seeing these. This is a set of cards made by Carol Wiebe, another friend of mine, and it says on the cards the very things that people can say that hurt our feelings and keep us from working, like, you'll never have enough time to learn everything you need, why start now? I see mistakes, lots of mistakes.
I remember the first time I entered a quilt competition, and the only comment I got back from the judges was corners not straight.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh my God, I spent so much time working on this, and that's the only thing you have to say about it?
Right. And that doesn't have anything to do with how creative it was either.
Exactly.
Maybe you wanted those corners to look the way they did.
They were meant to be like that.
I'm saying it. And then there's this one. There are so many artists out there that are already doing better art than you ever could. But it's not a contest. It's not a competition.
That's right. As they say, competition is the thief of joy.
There you go.
Well, I hope that you will not let competition steal your joy. Just kick those committee members on out of there.